So I got a new power block for my Apple products. You can use it for the phone, tablets, charger. It's the new version that they have. Efficient charging, eco-friendly. I think it's a gallium nitride technology. So super fast charging. It doesn't heat up like some chargers do, but I like it for our watches. They have the new chargers, and just we have like a mix of the old chargers and the new chargers, and I had to get more of these. So I think this is really good. A good charger. It's small, just like the Apple ones. Great comparison. I love these, and yeah, I definitely recommend this one if you're looking for just a really good charger to have around the house, extra ones like that. So thank you.